So we've noticed you've been watching our content, so thank you very much. But please don't forget to subscribe so that we can create more content just for you. Hello! Good morning, good morning. So, fun day today. June 28, we'll actually be meeting up with other VF3 users kasi we were invited to document their upgrades. So, we'll show you later. They're actually going to be installing bumper claddings and then other accessories to their VF3s. So, thank you very much for the invite and we'll see you there. Pero, syempre, dala muna tayong stock sa tindahan. Nagpakabit pala ng spoiler si Eric. Meron kasing spoiler na galing Vietnam. Pang VF3 talaga. Plastic pala sa buo. Dito.
May binanggit na kanina eh. Sabi
Kung nakapasok o nakalabas.
Yun sa switch ni Robert.
Nag-off ng park light, kahit nakaw yung switch, mamatay na yung pag light.
Okay.
Either sa ignition, para hindi natin makalimutan na nakaw.
Tama.
Quick reminder, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers and you clicking that button really helps us out. Thank you for being here.
So, another day, another VF3, another budol, another installation. So, we're actually here at a friend's house, VF3 user, VF3 member, syempre. So, we actually have 4 VF3s na nakapark dito. Pero 3 lang mag-upgrade, syempre, hindi yung sa atin. So, installation ng bumper cladding, Senlo fog lamps with harness and external switch. So, yung Senlo na ikakabit ni Eric ay yung 3. May kitty cat. Naka-PIAA horn pala si Eric. Yan. So, ganyan magiging itsura nung Senlo na 3. So, ang ginawa, naka-mount siya sa bumper cladding. And may aim mo pa rin siya left and right, up and down because of the bracket na included dun sa Senlo. So we'll post links saan siya nakuha. Pero maganda siya. Si Rob actually naka-isa lang. Itong kay Eric 3. All-weather yung
Pero,
combination.
Pwede ba yung combination?
Kasi sa yung switch natin, 2 lang yung pwede.
Switch.
Oo. Pwede rin sana 3, kaya maka-additional pa ng isang switch. Itong dilaw, either puti or combination.
Kasi yung switch mo, 1 or 2 lang.
Huwag
Huwag ka na magputi.
Puti na yung pala headlight. Saka yellow lang. Ay, combination ito. Ang combination natin is yellow at saka yung combination yellow at saka white.
Tama.
Ayan.
Yan,
Tsaka
yung combination. Yan.
Okay, sige.
Cheek light ang tawag dyan. Cheek light. Kasi nasa cheek. Cheek light. Cheek light. Signal light. Astig, di ba? Ayun, no? First in the Philippines. Anong tawag doon? Una sa first. Una pa sa first. Ganda.
Okay na.
Ganda niya.
Oh. JBL head unit. VinFast VF3. tuning from the master. Kasi ang maganda dito, naka-stock siya na head unit, pero naka-JBL na 3-way, naka-coaxial, pero naka-deadening.
Nakadedening.
So, ang laking bagay talaga ng deadening. Kahit sa limited tuning capabilities mo sa radyo, ang laking bagay ng deadening. Yan. So, naka-cheek light na si Rob. Parang Jimny. Cheek light, driver, and passenger sides. So, DIY Sunday tayo today. So, we're actually here at a VF3 member's house. May nagpakabit ng bumper cladding, may nagpakabit ng Senlo fog lamps, may nagpakabit ng cheek lights. Dahil DIY Sunday, kakabit natin yung TPMS. So, this actually came from Joko. So, thank you very much, Joko. Sorry, ngayon ko lang siya makakabit. Pero, we'll see how this goes. So, itong TPMS, actually, it's solar. Kakabit mo siya sa windshield and then, ito yung screen niya. Tapos, we'll see kung mapapagana ko siya. First time kong magkakabit nito. So, tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. So, dito ko siya ikakabit. So, it should look something like that. Tapos, nagpipivot naman to. So, pwede ko siyang iharap sa akin. So, nakatint ako, yes, pero tatagos naman na dyan yung solar para mag-charge siya. So, more or less, ganyan ang itsura niya. Okay. ASMR. So, okay lang, hindi siya masyadong straight kasi magpipivot naman to. Pwede mo siya iharap sa'yo. So, that should be good.
There's no power yet. Hindi pa siya na-charge.
Ayun. Wala. Pero ako ng cable. Ay, hindi siya Type-C. Nasaan yung power bank? Ayan. So, charge ko lang muna using a power bank kasi matagal siyang hindi nagamit. So, charging lang siya. So, to turn it on. Ayan. So, that's what it looks like. So, naka-PSI naman siya. 36 lahat. Pero, hindi ko pa nakakabit yung sa pito. So, tignan natin kung paano. The TPMS came with these tools. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, front left, front right, rear left, rear right. So, left would be driver side. Right would be passenger side. So, para ikabit siya, ito muna. Tapos, ito. Yan. So, pag kinabit nyo siya, actually may lalabas na pressure, konting-konti. So, pag masikip na siya, sisikipan nyo tong ring using the tool. Yan. So, gawin na natin yung sa iba. So, front right, which is front passenger. Ring first. So that means kailangan palagi yung dala to. Rear left. Ring first. Okay, last. Front left. Sinarge ko muna ng power bank. Ayun oh. 36. 34 yung passenger harap. Ayan. So, that's what it looks like. So, I think nagfi-flicker lang siya sa screen. But that's what it should look like. So, the last time nagpahangin ako, nilagyan ko ng 35 lahat. So, it's showing 36 except for the passenger front showing 34. Naka-PSI naman siya. So, tignan natin what will happen kapag nagpahangin ako. So, ngayon, sinacharge ko lang siya using a power bank. Pero, solar din siya. Pero, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. So, ayan yung solar panel niya. Tapos, ito, naka-double adhesive sa windshield. So, sinaslide lang naman siya. There you go. Tapos, ito, gumagalaw siya. Again, this is the Migo TPMS or Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Yan, so andito tayo sa bahay ng isa sa mga VF3 members. So thank you very much. May nagpakabit ng bumper cladding, LED na ilaw, I think turn signal, park light, may nagpakabit ng third brake light, may nagpakabit ng Senlo fog lamps. Tapos ako nagkabit ng TPMS. Alam mo, feeling ko bumili ka talaga ng fuse kasi ikaw gagawa eh. Kasi alam mong masisira mo eh.
Alam mo, kung nangangain lang ng tanga to, kinain na ako. Mamumuti na mata mo kakaikot, ayaw pa rin, you know? Yan, oo.
So, yan. Oy.
Ayun, oh.
Testing nyo muna bago nyo
Testing natin kasi pag pumreno ka baka bumusina. Yan.
Ano yan?
Yan. DIY, destroy it yourself.
Yan, oh, tatapat mo yun, oh, yung pintura, oh.
Ah.
Professional na nakakaalam mo.
Parang service ng kasa. Pakipost na lang para sa specs nung signal light naman pala ito. Signal light. Okay. Asan yung brake light? Yes. Tough do. Tough do.
Oh, yun.
Ayun,
Okay
oh.
na, okay na.
Tagal ko nang gusto gumamit nito eh. Pry tool. Oo. Ganyan lang yan eh. Ayun.
May taas ba yung ngipin eh?
Yan!
Ayun naman.
Testing muna natin bago
Pwede ka na mag-apply sa kasa, bro. Ayan, ang Senlo fog lamps ni Eric. So that's yellow. Meron siyang 2 switches. Merong yellow and then all-weather. So the all-weather is actually white and yellow na sabay. Yan. Yan yung all-weather.
Pero, ayun oh.
Nice. Third
Ano ba, brake light sa taas na.
Ganda.
Nag-improve ba to?
Oo, lumakas.
Hindi naman eh.
Lumakas. Nasisilaw nga ako eh. Nice. Third brake light. LED brake light.
Taob yung brake light mo, Rob.
Oo. Oo.
Ano gusto mo, Rob? Ano mo eh?
Mas malakas. Mas malakas yung sayo.
Rob, ano? Ano, hazard? Reverse. Pwede na to, sige. So ito ang nagawa, tsaka yun. Oh ha?
Yan. So, ang daming pinagawa. Yung Senlo, maganda siya. Maganda yung nagawa niya for the VF3. Just like with our video nung nagbagyo kami, si Rob, naka-Senlo. So, sobrang sulit kasi kitang-kita ka talaga. I'll post the links kung saan nila nabili. Abang-abang na lang kayo for vouchers, deals, para mas mura nyo siya makuha. And then, I think hindi naman ganun ka-complicated yung wiring niya. Just make sure wala kayong splicing. We noticed you've been watching our content, so thank you very much. But please make sure to subscribe so that we can create more content just for you.